Every time you cut an onion, it feels like the onion is somehow fighting back. Your eyes start burning, tears begin to form, and suddenly making dinner feels weirdly emotional. But onions don't make you cry just because they smell strong. What's actually happening is much more specific. Inside an intact onion, certain chemicals are stored in separate parts of its cells. As long as the onion stays whole, those chemicals never really interact. But the moment you slice into it, that changes. Your knife ruptures the onion cells, and the chemicals that were kept apart suddenly mix together. That triggers a reaction that creates a volatile irritant, a chemical that easily drifts into the air. And because your face is right above the cutting board, that irritant rises straight into your eyes. Once it reaches the surface of your eyes, it mixes with the moisture there and starts to irritate the sensitive tissue. Your eyes treat it like a threat, so they respond the way they're designed to, by producing tears to wash the irritant away. So, in a way, crying over onions is your body doing exactly what it's supposed to do. The onion gets damaged, releases a chemical defense into the air, and your eyes answer by flooding themselves with tears. So the next time an onion makes you cry, it's not just a cooking inconvenience, it's a tiny chemical counterattack happening right on your cutting board.